Brady goes for the deep shot. He's got a touchdown! Scotty Miller.
Oh, my gosh.
Scotty Miller got behind the defense and for 39 yards gets the touchdown. And what a half by Tom Brady.
Is that Kevin King that was in coverage? I couldn't tell exactly who it was, but you just cannot allow Scotty Miller with 8 seconds on the clock. You cannot give up the big play. I mean, just cannot allow anybody behind you. Brady was just going to take a shot. I mean, he was going to one-on-one, was going to take a shot.